Hi. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really excited. This is my first video. So, let me just introduce myself. My name is Nitya Tiwari, and I am working as an illustrator for almost about 3 to 4 years. So, उससे पहले I've been studying arts only. तो मैं ये यूट्यूब चैनल बहुत टाइम से स्टार्ट करना चाहती थी, बट बिकॉज ऑफ माई फुल टाइम जॉब आई कैन नॉट, बिकॉज देर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क एंड इट्स हार्ड टू मैनेज बोथ, and I'm still doing 9 to 5, but right now I am managing because I thought इससे ज़्यादा लेट नहीं करना चाहिए. So yeah. In my first video actually I wanted to share the projects that I've worked on, so the type of books that I've worked on till now. And actually I haven't just only worked on books, I've worked on puzzles also, so yeah, I'll share that too. So let's start. So let's start with our first book. I'm really excited. So this is my cute little bookshelf, and so yeah, this is the first book that I've created. So it is a touch and tickle book, and so this is a series book. In this series there are 4 other books, Dino also in this, Mermaid, and I can't remember. I'm sorry, I can't remember. But yeah, so there are 4 other topics also in this same series. But this is the Mermaid one. So this is Touch and Tickle. Let me show you what it is. So yeah, this is the first page, and this is the story for the kids. And आप ऐसे दिख रहे होगे. So there are some parts जहाँ पर there's a different texture. So this is the touch and tickle, so that kids can touch this part and feel this part. Let's move on to our next book. What should we pick? Yeah, maybe this one. So this is an emboss and deboss book. So let me show it to you. Same for this also, there are 4 other different topics in this series. It's counting, kids to learn counting, and because ये केवल 3 years के kids के लिए है, so the counting is from 1 to 10 only. Yeah. So I don't know if you can see, ये जो पार्ट है वो हम फील कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये पार्ट एम्बॉस पार्ट दिस इज, एंड दिस इज द डीबॉस पार्ट. या एंड here also 5 pages board book. This is also, and let me show you the last page. So yeah, you can feel this firefly, and so it's written here, 9 twinkling fireflies glow so bright, 10 tired animals dream in the night. Writing wise, this is not my work, because इस book का जो editor and writer है वो कोई और है. I worked on these books in my previous company. This is not my personal project. So yeah, let's move on to our next book. So what should it be? So this is one of my favorite book, Milo's Birthday. ये एक टॉर्च बुक है, वेरी डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. बट जब मैंने ये बुक देखी थी तो आई वॉज जस्ट, बिकॉज वी गॉट सैम्पल ऑल्सो बिफोर क्रिएटिंग दीज बुक्स. तो जब मैंने ये सैम्पल बुक देखी थी, आई जस्ट रियली लव्ड इट, बिकॉज कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज इट्स अमेजिंग. तो दिस इज़ माइलोज बर्थडे. So this is Milo, and so there is a torch in this. Let me just show it to you. So this is also text and all, but यहाँ पर find Kate the parrot. So we have to find the parrot, but there are different other animals also. So this is the spider, porcupine, owl, deer. This is the parrot here. This is already light here, so they have to find the character. Yeah, move on to the next page. I just wanted to show you the next page also. We have to find Tink, the elephant. The fox. Oh, cute. This is the elephant. So yeah, is same for goes for this series also. इस series के भी 4 different parts थे, but I do not have only this one. I have one more book with me, that is Dino Says Goodnight. So kids just love dino characters. Mostly हम जो भी book या फिर board book series हम create करते थे, mostly हर series में there is a one dino book, mermaid book also, but definitely one dino book is going to be there. So this is Dino Says Goodnight. Oh, so this is one of my favorite books. I really loved it. But my second favorite book, I'm going to show it to you. So this is the sound book. Same goes for this, 4 different themes in this series. This is the jungle theme. So this is a sound book. हम जब भी कोई पेज ओपन करेंगे, सो देयर इज़ वन एनिमल देयर, उसके बाद यहाँ पर साउंड के डिफरेंट सेक्शंस जो हैं वो बने हुए हैं. सो फॉर दिस वन देयर इज़ अ लाइन हेयर. तो I know maybe if you can hear it. Let me just put my mic there. Sorry, yeah. So for line, what's this? So this is the hippo page. So yeah. In this page, okay, so in this scene line, elephant. So in this scene, so जो elephant है, he is helping, I think, the hippo. तो हम इस सीन में, I think, yeah, elephant. So elephant की sound है इस सीन में. So let's hear it. It's, it's great for kids to learn about different sounds. So basically this is the jungle theme. तो इसमें सारे animal जो हैं उनकी sounds थी. There's another book also. So basically there are 4 books in this series, but another book that I have is My City. So in this there are different sound of vehicles. So let's just open a random page. Okay, so yeah, in this page there's a helicopter sound. There's a helicopter here, so let's hear it. Okay, so let's hear the bus sound also. Oh, this is the bus page. So yeah, so a very interesting concept. And this is my second favorite type of book that I've created. So basically, other than these books, I only have these books right now. I have created different type of books. For example, just like Touch and Tickle, I've created Touch and Feel also. So Touch and Feel जो बुक थी उसमें डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टेक्सचर हम फील कर सकते थे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देर इज़ अ feather texture there, so kids can feel that okay, this is a feather there, this is how feather feels like. So वो भी काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बुक थी. एंड एक्चुअली आई हैव क्रिएटेड different activity books also. There's a water wonder book, and what I've created right now, actually I'm working on a different kind of book. It's basically proper educational book for grades 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, it's a whole series of books, same book but for different grades. So I'm creating it right now, but it's a different type of educational book. These are story books. So yeah, but for puzzles, actually I've created different type of puzzle also, like circular puzzle, contour puzzle, magnetic puzzle, and cube puzzle also. I only have 2 puzzles with me right now. So this is contour puzzle. So this is a puzzle and it shapes like this. You can see, because it is a contour puzzle, so there is no square or circle shape in this. And yeah, this is the puzzle. We have free stickers also. So actually I've already opened it once. Here are the free stickers that are in the box. And so yeah, same goes for this also. There are 4 different themes in this. There's a jungle theme also. So actually I remember I created an elephant contour in this, and there are different animals in that animal contour puzzle. So yeah, and 2 more contour also. So circular puzzles I don't have with me right now, but here is a magnetic wonder jungle animal. Same 4 different themes in this one also, but this is a jungle animal. I wanted to show this to you guys. Actually I shared this in my YouTube short earlier, but let me just share this one more time. Yeah, so there's a manual in this how to use, and so there are different type of characters in this. Cute little elephant. And there is one sheet. So just sorry. Yeah, so there is this one sheet, and we can place these sticker like this. So yeah, it's a magnetic wonder jungle animal puzzle, and he's cute. These are the different books, puzzles and activity books I've worked on. I'm trying to work on my own storybook also, storyboard book for kids only. So I'll share that journey with you also. I'm creating that book for my portfolio. So yeah, and I hope you guys like this video.